This feels illegal, but I promise you'll make money. And no, you don't have to sell but you'll have to steal. And as crazy as it sounds, this kind of stealing doesn't get you in jail. I'm talking about ethically stealing other people's content to make money. And listen, clients have been paying me thousands since I was 20 to do this for them. But I'm not alone. The top 1% YouTubers like this and this do it all the time. And that's exactly what they succeed to the point they shake hands with worldwide celebrities and get featured on Forbes covers. But the line of criminality is very thin here. I perfected this process after posting 1,500 videos like this. So you can't miss a single step because even if you don't go to jail, you might get sued. And talking about getting sued, look at this lawyer's viral video.
And most crews will cut you from the bar and have your license stripped. You lie to a client and he figured it out.
Yes, exactly. Don't lie to a client. You should not lie to a client and defraud them.
It's a reaction video on Suits, the Netflix show, and the video blew up and got 12 million views. Now, look at this viral video from another channel.
We've all found ourselves in conversation and felt attacked. Like, we started off talking about one thing, and then the other person twisted our words, and before we knew it...
This celebrity clips video also blew up and got 24 million views. Both of these channels stole content from others to go viral and make money, and that's what you want to do too. But let me warn you, I'm not suggesting you go and make reaction videos or compilations. Instead, follow this sneaky process, because I'll be honest, those who struggle to make it on YouTube think creativity will save them. But what the top guys don't want you to know is that their stealing process guarantees their videos blow up. So I will leak their process for you. Step number 1, identify where the attention is. So search on the For You page of TikTok, the trending tab on the Explore page on Twitter and YouTube, the Rising Keywords tab on vidIQ, Google News, Google Trends, Medium's popular articles, the popular tab on Reddit, and identify who is getting all the attention. Is it Andrew, Mr. Beast, Donald, Ronaldo, the Kardashians, The Rock, etc. Then follow the next critical step. Step number 2, make a video about the trending person but related to your expertise. This and this are some examples. There are even successful channels built entirely on this strategy, like this one that got 33 million views with only 33 videos. But the job is not finished yet.
Job's not finished. Job finished? I don't think so.
Step number 3, post the video. But if you actually want to blow up, you'll not just post the video, at least until you pass your video idea through these key filters. Is it shocking? Is it unique? Is there a reason to watch? If the answer to these 3 is yes, now you can post it. But what's crazy is that getting views is just one half of making money on YouTube. The other half is way harder to master. And that's why most creators suffer from the broke syndrome. And I bet my mom's house that you know about monetization with AdSense, affiliates, and sponsors. But trying those is like swimming through a pool of broken glass, expecting to come out without a scratch. So, ditch them. The real money is in making offers, but not any kind of offer, because the right offer took this guy from 0 to $2.5 million a year in no time. And the same could happen to you if you listen to what I'll explain. There are 5 components of a winning offer. Niche, who are you selling to? Quantifiable end result, what result do your offer provide? Time frame, how long does it take? Unique mechanism, how do you achieve results? Risk reversal, how do you guarantee results? But I have bad news. That isn't enough to make money on YouTube. You also need proof that you aren't a scam. So, show your previous results or case studies, just like I did here. That simple combination has made millions for many creators you might know. But don't just throw mud at the wall hoping that it sticks. To really make money on YouTube, follow this step-by-step proven plan. Identify your viewers' biggest struggles, create a winning offer that solves those struggles, prove your offer works with a real case study, identify who's trending online, and make a video about that person and post it. Use their photo in the thumbnail for clicks, include their clips in the video to keep viewers engaged, promote your offer, share your case studies, ask viewers to work with you. And to that point, if you want my full YouTube strategy for free, the link is below. Anyway, this stealing method guarantees you make money on YouTube. Now, what's shocking is that most think that this process needs costly high-end production. But the cold hard truth is that even bad videos make millions for YouTube creators. If curious to discover exactly how, watch this video next.